Subscribe and share to Uncle Ken's YouTube video.
Alright.
YouTube channel. Uncle Ken's YouTube channel.
Sa kahapon inaing dyan siya. Ngayon dadating. Importante daw kaya
Susunod na lang.
doon sa Anis Farm.
Commander ngayon. Commander eh.
Wala. Wala pa rito yung may mga t-shirt nila.
Ako pala hindi ko nasabi.
Ha?
Anyway, si Joey.
Next time, pag nag-order uli.
Naka-order na ako actually.
Ha?
Naka-order na ako.
Really?
Among the last ako batch na nagano.
Ba't di nasama?
Walang blood type, plain 2X lang yata. Joey Baroga.
Oh, shooks. Wait. Hindi ko nakita pangalan mo kasi sa listahan.
Hindi siya nagsabing dadating ngayon eh.
Okay. Okay.
Nagising lang ako eh. Right ako, ganda na panahon.
Kasi ano ko yung kung sino lang darating para baka mawala eh.
Dito ko lang na-realize nga pala. Naka-uniform dapat. Oo nga eh.
So, mga t-shirts.
Ilan ba dala mo? For whom?
Kasi ano lang to sir, kila Sir Tony, Egay, Bong, kila Bong Seva.
Akala ko si
Wala.
Bungin.
Nakuha na niya yung sa kanya last time. Di ba? Ayun. Tatlo pala.
Si Dan, matataga ng tatlo butok nun eh.
Kaya nga eh. Hello. Hi.
Morning.
Ito, kasama namin yung rider, Sons of Muji Kiwis. Anak ni Captain Mondi. Yay. Ano? What are you riding?
This is a Street 750 Harley Davidson.
Talaga? So, ano special features nito?
Well, it's fit for me because of the seat height, which is only 720
Okay.
centimeters, so it's very comfortable. And then good suspension also. So I'm a newbie. This is just my second ride. And
Second ride? What do you mean second ride?
as in second
Highway ride?
highway ride.
Hindi nga. Saan ka nag-training?
Honda. Safety driving school.
Pareho tayo.
Honda. Tapos,
Diyan
sabak
sa
na
may,
agad.
ano,
Yeah.
pareho tayo.
After beginner, sabak na agad.
Okay.
Did you go for advanced training pa po?
Ay, hindi na. Nag-ano lang ako. Kasi I used to ride nung bata-bata pa. Tumigil for 30 years. So, bago ako nag-adventure uli palabas ng highway, nag-training ako. Para lang, ano lang, alam mo na, safety. Ang laki ng tangke nito Ilang liters yan?
13.
Ha?
13.1 liters.
13.1 liters. Tapos sa electronics niya, basic lang. Wala siya. Ito lang, speedometer lang.
Tapos, yung digital.
Di ba ikaw yung licensed pilot na ayaw na?
Yes, but on the shelf po. Pinalik sa ka-app. So, I'm an architect.
So architect ka na ngayon. Mas gusto mo maging architect kaysa sa piloto na. Pero alam mo, yung iba are just dying to become pilots, no? Kaya parang, may license tapos ayaw mo na.
It was more visible for me at this point in time in my career in architecture.
Kaya pala.
More visible to pursue the business of architecture for me. But I love the experience of flying and I'm thankful for my dad for that.
Of course, si Captain Mondi paid for it. So buti na lang, hindi student loan. Regalo. Okay. So, mamaya, don't worry kasi mabagal din ako magmaneho. Kasi may angkas ako. And here's the father.
Sundan mo siya.
Mabagal lang ako kasi may angkas ako. Kaya,
Maximum 100.
Maximum 100 lang ako. Tsaka kahit kaming dalawa lang, talagang yun lang ang speed natin. Ano sir? Mas safe, no? We're here to enjoy, hindi naman to karera eh.
Oh.
Right? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, nice. Next year, sasali ka sa Ironman.
Oh no, I don't know if I'm ready for that.
May 1 year pa to prepare.
Let's see, let's see.
Oh, kasi ako nagbabalak ako sumali. Let's see rin. If health allows. Yun ang limit eh, yung health eh. Kasi ito sector. Mr. Ironman yan.
Wow.
Yeah. Ironman finisher yan. With his Benelli.
Yung Saso Mochikiwish na shirt ko sir, kaya ito.
Ayun.
Hindi ko makita sir, hindi labahan pa.
Ay, shucks. Ayan, tingnan mo. Yan yung motor niya. Oh. So, meron siyang bragging rights. Yeah. And of course, may isa pa, yung si General Ubungin. Finisher din. Yeah. So, next year, sali tayo.
1061 finisher.
Ayos. Thank you ah.
Thank you.
At saka ECBI po. At
Click like and subscribe.
Click like and subscribe. If you're watching this, click like and subscribe. Ganun ba yun? And share and drop a comment. Mas magaling pa yung apo ko magsalita eh.
If you like this video, drop down the comment down below.
Yeah.
Tayo, Mon. Saan tayo tatlo?
Okay, introducing
Sir.
Captain Hector Tan, Ironman finisher. Ano number mo dun sa ano to?
1061.
1061. And anong motor dinala mo? Ito?
Benelli 502C.
Okay.
500cc.
Nakailang mileage na to sa'yo to?
As of now, 6,000 kilometers.
6, wow.
Due for PMS.
Due for PMS ka na
After
kaagad.
this ride.
Ako rin mag-PMS na rin ako. Tor, what made you decide na ito bibilin mo?
First of all, yung
Looks.
and affordability.
Okay.
And based on review, maganda yung positive yung mga review sa kanya. Kasi this one is also popular in Europe.
Okay.
So I watched YouTube videos about the bike, and I got positive impression about the bike, so I decided to buy it. And it suits my riding style, cruising, chilling, and just for fun.
Ilang cc to?
500, sir.
500cc. Okay. Paano yung sa electronics niya? Meron ba something special dito?
So
Or basic?
Basic, typical controls ng isang bike. But I have add-ons kasi ito yung wala yung like yung charger, USB
Okay.
for cellphone, camera holder, and auxiliary lights.
Top slides. Okay. Yung slider, nilagay mo na lang yan.
Additional.
Okay.
There are a lot of things lacking for the price. But that's what you get for the price.
Yung price niya,
It's
nag-price
cheaper,
range.
but you have to make some money.
Yung tank niya, laki no? Ilang liters
Yeah,
yan?
The tank is 21 liters capacity.
Wow!
So it can really go on very, very long rides without having to worry.
Yung refueling.
So very ideal for Ironman.
Talaga ah. Highly recommended ah.
Iron.
Yung gulong niya,
180, 55,
Okay.
17. Pirelli. Yan yung stock na gulong niya is Pirelli na agad. Yan ang
talaga?
wala nang palitan.
Oh,
Hanggang-
maganda na kaagad.
Oh, sir.
Okay siya no? Pero nung nag-Ironman ka, anong napansin mo sa kanya?
Very sturdy and
Aha.
performance-wise, hindi ako binigo. When I need to speed up,
Meron.
it gives me power. When I need to slow down, it's really reliable bike on the road.
smooth yung ano niya. May quick shifter ba to?
Walang quick shift.
Wala.
Pero
Para malambot yung clutch.
malambot.
Anong tawag din doon? Sleeper clutch? Mayroon ba nito?
ano tawag yan?
Oh, ewan.
Meron siya.
Buti pa yung aeroplano, alam natin yung mga tawag. Sa mga motor, di natin alam eh, no? Hector Tan, former fighter pilot, instructor pilot yan sa, ano, sa 320. 1061 Ironman. Hindi na kontento ang call. Anong call sign mo sa fighters?
Indian 432.
Indian 432. Sa bike, ikaw si 1061.
1061.
Oh my God.
Number.
Ayos ah.
Number.
Next year, health
year,
permits. Sali tayo.
Sali tayo.
Sali ako. Oo.
Actually, I'm planning to upgrade. I mean, maybe buy
Another bike.
adventure bike.
Mm.
There's a new adventure bike in the market, yung CF Moto
Yung CF Moto.
MT.
Oh, okay.
It has, for the price, 565,800cc. Meron na siyang mga cruise control.
Mura, no?
Meron ng built-in na auxiliary lamp, lights,
Okay.
crash guard. Wala nang idadagdag. So for the price,
Okay na.
bang for the buck.
Panalo na.
Yun ang
Itong tambutso niya parang iba na, no? In-upgrade mo na to.
yung
To,
exhaust, in-upgrade ko na
exhaust.
yung
Okay.
Akrapovic M1.
But itong mudguard,
Built, stock.
stock yan. Wow, galing ah. Ganda pala eh, no? Ano to,
Ito, add-on, yung
Add-on.
backrest.
for your OBR
OBR.
502 Benelli. Galing ah. Okay, Heck, thank you ah. Thank you for sharing your experience.
Click like
Ano.
and subscribe and share to Uncle Ken's YouTube video.
Alright.
YouTube channel. Uncle Ken's YouTube channel.
Okay. Maraming kasama today. Today's ride, we're going to again the usual Mayhanes Farm sa mataas na Kailipa. May konting birthday celebration na naman ng isang kasama sa grupo. Masaya to, daming tao. Sana maaga pa kami para may space pa sa mataas na kahoy. Let's go. Tara. Ha? Ano na? Sana hindi ulan. Dami rin siya. Alright, let's go. Regroup. Si Bong Seba pala ang leader ngayon. dumidilim yung langit. Naman sana part of the game. Part of the game. Rain or shine. Actually, mas maraming challenges, mas enjoying eh. The advantage is malamig sa katawan dahil sa clouds, tatakpan yung ulap.